This is a kitchen, modular kitchen, starting with the quartz, white color quartz, AGL brand, and this is a tandem with a cutlery, inside cutlery tray. This is a plain tandem, all are soft close. This is a plain for thali rack. This is a bottle pull out with a soft close channel. This is a chimney of Elica brand. Both the sides opening shutters. Here down we are providing the LED strip lights. This is a tall unit for large storage of unit, grocery storage. This is a wicker baskets for storing of vegetables, dry vegetables like onion, potatoes. Here we are providing two. This is a big tandems, two big tandems for storage of any big dabbas like 2 kg, 3 kg dabbas. The capacity of this tandems is 100 kg, and this all are soft close, and the granite is AGL quartz. And here again the LED strip lights are there, and this all are normal storage with the shelf. This all shelves are removable shelves, so we can adjust according to the height. Again here the normal shelves, and this is the hand wash. This is a sink with the gas connection. Here it is the copper pipe connection. It is connected with the copper piping. And this will be the plan for. This is the space